I just want to show you something I hit upon. This is a typical clamping situation for me, is I will be like laminating two boards together, and I've come into a very awkward situation where I'm going to use this corner of the table as the clamping surface, and I can have I'm using C-clamps, and I can basically put clamps all the way around this part of the perimeter, but this part that I really need to force down, I just don't have enough length of the clamp. I don't have a deep reach C-clamp, and I just can't get over there. So I'm gonna show you how I solve that problem. And it's very simple, and I think you can use this yourself, and it actually, what it does is it effectively doubles your clamps, which is really cool. So I'm going to show that to you right now. Okay, so here's a better view of the errant. So anything around that's meeting the edge, it's very easy to grab a C-clamp and get good pressure on it all the way along. But what about when it comes to this far away edge and you just simply don't have the clamp length to get over there? So this is exactly what you can do. Using this one method, you can clamp here and here at the exact same time. Basically, all you got to do is, I don't know what you would call this technically, but fulcrum or I don't know, something. But you basically just put a block here that would raise another piece of wood up, put the other piece of wood here at the pressure point that you want to seal. And hold on, I'm going to open this thing up a little bit. And you can put your clamp here just past the point where it's raised. And just by doing that, you will distribute force this way, and you will distribute force over here. So effectively, it's almost like you're using two clamps just by using one. Now let's clamp down. Okay, now this is failing, and I'll tell you exactly why. This isn't far enough. So I'm gonna move it out a little. Okay, so let's go right to the edge. Hold on, I'm gonna bring this back. Okay. Okay, now let's start bringing. Okay, so with this part solved and this far away part solved very well, I'm just gonna continue to use these shorter C-clamps and continue on like I normally would. So there you go. So the headline is, if you don't have a deep reach C-clamp, or if you just want to get more out of your clamps, if you want to double their power, then you can use this method, and it can solve a lot of problems. I struggled with this for a long time, and I just figured it out, and I was very happy. Hopefully sharing it can help you. Okay, thanks for watching.